seated here, and some have been here from as early as 10 o'clock. And so let's be respectable so that we are able to honor the beloved of the Lord. Stephanie, where are you? I give you only 1 minute. Oh, it's a little sweet girl. 2 minutes then, Stephanie.
Thank you.
And CUNA Group, can you be coming up here, please?
Good afternoon.
If you can read the first, the middle, and the last, you'll do me good.
Okay.
I can see the speech.
Good afternoon. My name is Stephanie Nisha in grade 8 from Lizzie Wanyoike Preparatory and Senior School. I wish to make a tribute to Madam Lizzie Wanyoike, the fallen heroine. Madam Lizzie, we are broken that you have gone to a journey of no return. You never said you were leaving, nor did you tell us goodbye. We received the news on that grey Sunday and wished that it was a nightmare we would eventually wake up from. But no, it's a new phase, era, and time to look back at the memories we all had. Your love has given life to others, Madam Lizzie, we children being among them. We remember how you visited us in class just to say hi and check on us. You would then casually ask, "Are you happy?" And we would say a resounding yes. You would then smile at us, wave and say hi to your parents and tell them I love them. Madam Lizzie, even in your death, just know the whole world is hurting. Not because you have gone to be with the Lord, but because we have been robbed of a gem, a very special, precious stone that we dearly treasured. As your children, we have one message for you. Rest assured that we are the future Lizzie Muthoni Wanyoike. We will continue lighting up the world with the candle you passed to us. You will be proud of us in heaven. I may not tell the whole world everything about you for now, but what everyone knows is that for sure, God has plucked the best flower from his garden. You are in a better place, Madam Lizzie. We will live to reminisce your passion, dedication, and contribution towards life. May you rest in perfect peace, our heroine. Till we meet again, thank you.
Thank you, Stephanie. Can we now have the CUNA Group? If it is a song, it's a song, no speech. If it is a speech, only a speech, and the rest you remain standing here. And can we have Madam Lizzie Muthoni to just come, please? Yes, it's a song. Just to sing. Or you are speaking. That the mic. Easy, actually. It's only a minute.
We've been given 1 minute and we'll stick to the 1 minute in the interest of time.
3 seconds gone.
Take a few of mine. We standing here are representatives of a large group of CUNA Women Pioneer Group, the neighborhood in which Muthoni lived for a long time, years, where she had a family here, that is the children, where they were born and grew in that community. We cherish the moments that we were with Lizzie because she has been a light in that group. This group was formed about 30 years ago and more, and she was one of the founder members. And she has been our vice president, our vice chair lady, for quite a long time. In fact, even now as she leaves us, she's leaving that seat empty. And so for us, it is a big loss because there is a huge vacuum that she has left. We do not take for granted what God did to us for having given us Muthoni for the period she has been with us. And we pray that God will continue to look after these children whose mothers and sisters and uncles and cousins within the community support you in a big way that you might not know, but now you know. And so, as we say farewell to our sister, we normally call each other sister. We have senior sisters, as you can see a representation here. There are several of them. We have middle-aged, we have the youth that we are nurturing. And so we are trusting that God will continue, especially now with the spirit of Lizzie, to grow up the group.
Let's appreciate them, please.
I'm saying to the children to go and look at this song that says ancient words. Yes, it's a hymn, ancient words, ever true, never changing. It changes you and me, and that's what happened to Lizzie. And we will go with open hearts. God will always be there for you. Our sister, Mwedwoneire, Lizzie Muthoni, twaguturongoreria umame kuria kuraga hindi ciothe. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Can we have Madam Lizzie Muthoni? I give you a minute, please. Just shorten your speech. The list is long.
Okay. Shalom, brothers and sisters. My name is Lizzie Muthoni. I represent the Kenya National Association of Private Colleges. And this tribute was written by our chair, who is not with us today. She left yesterday. And I'm in charge of the private colleges. I will not read all of it, but I can say that Liz was part of us. Liz is the one who helped KENAPCO start the entire organization. We are several here in private colleges. I represent Outspan Medical College from Nyeri, and KENAPCO is all over the entire country. She has mentored us. She used to give her resources, and she was never shy away, considering it was competition, to mentor other institutions so that they can reach out to the community. We have so much that we can say about Liz as private colleges. She has left a gap. She has mentored many, and we are willing to go on with the candle lit on. Thank you so much. I have a tribute for the family and the NIPS community. I'll give it to them physically. They go and read, fire it, and remember her forever in their lives. Thank you.
Let's appreciate Lydia. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bravo, bravo. We want to take this opportunity to appreciate the ministers of the Word and Sacrament who are here. We want to request all the pastors, water, apostles, overseers, bishops, archbishops, except those who are here of the Anglican Church. Please do stand. Tafadhali simameni, maaskofu, makasisi, apostles.